We in Homa Bay, we are here today in this town in a big way to appreciate the Mozzart company, yeah, from Serbia, headed by this great man. And I want to say here on behalf of the people of Homa Bay, we really appreciate this. This connection was done by a deputy governor, and we really appreciate that this lady was the connection. This great lady. And you can see the number of things that we are going to get today. This will go a long way in ensuring that health workers are protected. The biggest important single protection that we must do is to protect our frontline soldiers. These soldiers are very serious. We are very committed to them. That's why the government has decided to give vaccination so they can be vaccinated. But apart from that, we must give them protective gears, the PPEs. And that's why we are here. We want to sincerely thank this company, Mozzart company, for this great gesture. It's a big gesture, really. It's going to go a long way in at least addressing a lot of these issues. As Charles has just mentioned, we have come here with a full team from the Homa Bay COVID-19 fundraising committee, headed by Engineer Ken Onditi. He's an eminent person from Homa Bay, but doing business in Nairobi. He mentioned Professor George Crowder. Professor George Crowder used to be the permanent secretary minister of water during Kibaki's government, and he did a wonderful job. And he's also our chairman of water company in Homa Bay. Charles put it very clear. One single important tool that must fight this pandemic is water. So he's in the committee of the eminent persons, but also chairman for water. Deputy governor is here. Is the cause of this thing, and we are here today. And we want to thank you so much for having identified this important company. Professor Moga, as you know, for some of you know him very well, he used to be the Director General of Medical Services in Kenya, the chief advisor to the government on issues of medical health in Kenya for a long time, and was also the chairman of National Hospital Insurance, and also chair for setting up KEMSA. The KEMSA today was set up by this great man called Moga. And now is our Minister for Health in Homa Bay. He also comes from Homa Bay County. So really, we have come here with this team to show the appreciation, our gratitude, our commitment to this company. We feel so humbled, we feel so much elated and very motivated. We feel very happy because this will go a long way. One PPE is being used per day by a health worker. And for this kind of contribution, it will go a long way to support us. I want to thank Mozzart for this wonderful contribution. Thank you so much. I now hand over to Professor Moga to give you a breakdown of what is there in Homa Bay in terms of statistics, how we have been able to fight this pandemic in Homa Bay. And I also want to, before I complete, I want to thank our county commissioner and that in his team, the county security team, for ensuring that the people of Homa Bay observe the protocols that have been given, the containment that have been given by the Minister of Health. Very, very important. And we want to assure you we are fighting. We have already done a lot of work in terms of facilities. We have one of the best ICU in Homa Bay today. We have done isolation center, about 9 of them, with modern beds, yeah, and ventilators. So really, we are also trying our best as a Homa Bay County.
You know, we have a lot of problems with the funds flow to the counties. It's not unique to Homa Bay, and this will go a long way to help us get support our people. So mine is really just to add to what the governor said, that we thank you sincerely and we want the journey to continue. Let it not be a one-stop gap. and we appreciate what you have done for us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Your Excellency, Mr. Governor Cyprian Awiti.
Yes.
Your Excellency, Deputy Governor Mr. Orata. Hamilton Orata.
Yes.
Thank you for welcoming us here. Thank you for all members of your committee, and which is now with us here in this morning. We are very grateful. And I just want to say that this donation of 2.5 million Kenyan shillings, which will go to Homa Bay County, I think that it will serve to the healthcare facilities,
right.
all these front line workers, which Mr. Professor mentioned us here today, which is almost 5,000. And I am for sure I can say that we will save Homa Bay Kenyan wonderful people lives here in this donation, and I can assure you that we will not stop here. We will continue to support our healthcare facilities, as well as our huge corporate social responsibility program, 100 wells for our communities. Where we started in 11th December 2020, established one well for Homa Bay counties, place Kotida, sub-county Imbo. And those people were very happy, and which give us a power to continue in further. So we will not stop here, and thank you one more for being here with us this morning. And I want to also tell you one information that the Mozzart company, it's among the first company which started to fight against COVID-19 pandemic since April 2020, where we donated the 10 million to Council of Governors to the 10 counties, each 1 million. And of course we not stop there, we continue, and in total we donated more than 70 million Kenyan shillings in fighting against the COVID. Those are initiatives, and of course we will not stop here. Thank you one more for being here with us. Yes.
Very, very,
yes.
Thank you very much.